In a world where architecture meets nature, bio-inspired buildings are leading the way. Imagine structures that mimic the resilience of trees, the efficiency of termite mounds, or the adaptability of coral reefs. This is not just a dream, it's the future of architecture. Biomimicry, the practice of learning from nature's designs, is revolutionizing how buildings are conceived and constructed. Architects and engineers are looking closely at the natural world for inspiration. For instance, the Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe is designed to mimic the self-cooling system of termite mounds. Instead of relying on energy-guzzling air conditioning, this building stays cool through natural ventilation, saving energy and costs. Another fascinating example is the Eden Project in the UK, which features geodesic domes inspired by the structure of carbon molecules. These domes not only provide stunning aesthetics, but also create microclimates that support diverse plant life. This approach showcases how nature's designs can lead to both beauty and functionality. As climate change continues to challenge traditional building practices, bio-inspired architecture offers solutions that are sustainable and resilient. The Bullitt Center in Seattle, often dubbed the greenest commercial building in the world, incorporates features like a rainwater harvesting system and solar panels, all while drawing inspiration from natural ecosystems. Its design promotes energy efficiency and reduces the carbon footprint, proving that buildings can coexist harmoniously with the environment. The future of architecture is also about adaptability. The Living Building Challenge encourages architects to create structures that are not only sustainable, but also regenerative. This means buildings that produce more energy than they consume and contribute positively to their surroundings. Nature's ability to adapt and thrive in various conditions serves as a blueprint for these ambitious projects. Incorporating natural elements into urban landscapes is another trend gaining momentum. Vertical gardens and green roofs are becoming commonplace, providing insulation, improving air quality, and enhancing biodiversity in cities. These features not only make buildings more attractive, but also create healthier environments for inhabitants. The concept of biophilic design is also emerging, emphasizing the connection between humans and nature. By integrating natural light, plants, and organic materials into building designs, architects are creating spaces that promote well-being and productivity. Research shows that exposure to nature can reduce stress and enhance creativity, making bio-inspired buildings not just functional, but beneficial for mental health. As technology advances, the possibilities for bio-inspired architecture expand. 3D printing and advanced materials allow for the creation of complex shapes and structures that mimic natural forms. Imagine buildings that can self-repair or adapt to changing weather conditions, much like living organisms. This is the potential of biomimicry in architecture. The integration of smart technology further enhances the capabilities of bio-inspired buildings. Sensors can monitor energy usage, adjust lighting based on natural light levels, and even manage water resources efficiently. These innovations not only improve sustainability, but also create a more responsive and user-friendly environment. Looking ahead, the challenge lies in scaling these concepts for widespread adoption. While some pioneering projects have showcased the potential of bio-inspired architecture, the industry must overcome barriers such as costs and regulations. However, as awareness grows and the demand for sustainable solutions increases, the momentum for bio-inspired buildings will likely accelerate. In conclusion, bio-inspired buildings represent a harmonious blend of nature and technology. By learning from the ultimate structural engineers, nature itself, architects are crafting innovative, resilient, and sustainable structures. The future of architecture is bright, and it's rooted in the wisdom of the natural world. As these designs become more prevalent, they promise to transform our cities into greener, healthier, and more beautiful places to live. Embracing this approach not only benefits the environment, but also enriches the human experience, creating spaces that inspire and uplift. The journey toward a bio-inspired future has just begun, and the possibilities are endless. What bio-inspired building design excites you the most? How do you think nature can further influence architecture? Would you live in a building that mimics natural structures? Share your thoughts.